During an emergency evacuation, you must be able to locate the exits closest to you. Memorize the position of the exits of this aircraft so you will be able to locate the ones closest to you. Before going to the exits, you must leave all your luggage behind. There are 8 exits on this aircraft, 4 on each side. All exits have a floor-level door. All exits are clearly marked by an exit sign. In case of smoke, you should bend down during the evacuation. Remember that the closest exits can be behind you.